Hey viewers, welcome to Uflyer, your one-stop channel for all kinds of IELTS material and general English. Today we are back with another important video on the reading module. Today we are going to talk about how to successfully read a passage with the skimming and scanning strategy. Before we begin, those who are new to this channel and those who have not subscribed till now, please press the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified for such informative videos. Your support really means a lot to us. So without any further delay, let's start. Most of the aspirants struggle in the IELTS reading module due to poor time management. To manage the time effectively for answering all the 40 questions, one would need proper planning and strategy to read and comprehend all the 3 sections and answer all 40 questions correctly within 60 minutes. If you read every word slowly and carefully to understand the meaning of every sentence of the text, you will surely be in trouble finishing the paper on time. So, it is essential to learn how to read more, and that also in less time. Skimming and scanning are the 2 most effective strategies which can be helpful in speed reading. Now let's know what is skimming. Skimming is the process of reading the text quickly to understand only the main idea. To skim effectively, you need to read only a part of the text. Now let's learn how to skim effectively. You need to read the first paragraph thoroughly to get an idea of what is being discussed in the given text. Then, read the first 2 sentences of each paragraph till the second last one. This reading can give you the main idea of each paragraph. After you have read the first 2 sentences, you must be looking for important factors of information, such as numbers and names. Lastly, read the last paragraph attentively, as sometimes it can contain the summary. Now it's time to learn about scanning. First, we need to know what scanning means in reading. Scanning is the technique to read the passage rapidly in order to search the specific facts and phrases in the text to answer the questions. Scanning must be done to the passages as well as to the questions. How to scan effectively? Always underline or highlight the important facts such as dates, numbers, names, etc. while reading the text. When you read the question, identify the keywords and scan the text for the same. In this way, you can easily find the answer in less time. Let's take an example of a passage and see how skimming and scanning actually work. Here, the yellow color is used to show you the portion that has been skimmed, and the green color is used to show the keywords that are highlighted by the scanning method. Pause the video and take your time. After skimming and scanning the text, you can get the idea that Tesla brought an electric car to Singapore and was fined for that, as the car was a polluter. It turned out that electric cars can also be dangerous for the environment because the electric energy used to charge them is originally produced at power stations, which also emit pollutants. We hope this video has given you an understanding of how to effectively use the skimming and scanning strategy for the reading module. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such informative content. Thank you for watching.